Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a lipstick tutorial for you girls today. I went and I picked up this Pro Fusion Mixed Metal Lips. You guys see this? I think this sucker was like $5, something like that, but they went on sale after the holidays. I absolutely love the Pro Fusion Contour Kit. This thing is freaking amazing. Amazing, but let's try the metal lips. Am I going to have metal lips? I don't know. You guys can see I have never opened this, so let's see what it looks like, how it feels, the whole bit. Now, I don't know. Hopefully this lip color complements my skin. This is called, once again, Nude. That's why I grabbed it. Okay, so we're going to open the lip pencil. Comes with two different. It looks like a matte and then a very shiny. The Nude. Oh, actually, it smells so good. It smells like coconut or something. This smells really, really good. So let's go ahead and line the lips. Now, I did put a little bit of foundation over my lips because my lips are naturally very like pink. Okay, so let's go ahead and line the lips and see what we think. This doesn't look like a nude. This looks like it's pink. I know you guys can see that on camera. No. Look at that. Is that a nude or is it? No, that's not a nude. That's not a nude at all. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and line it. The inner a little bit. And now let's go in for the lipstick. Pro Fusion lipstick. I hope this smells just as good as the other one. Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at that wand. Look how freaking long that wand is. It's like as big as my eyeball. It has a weird... I don't know. It has a weird smell. It smells like my pesticide guy who comes and sprays. Anyways, let's try it on the lips. I might repel bugs. Okay, so now that's a nice color. That is a totally different color than the flippin' liner it came with. This is, oh yeah, look at that. So it just feels like it's not very thick. It's more like, it's thinner, but that's a beautiful color. Wow, now that's a beautiful, beautiful nude. Now, I think it just looks like it's a pink color kind of maybe because of the liner, but it's more, oh wow. This is surely a matte lipstick. I should have read the back of the box before I even opened it, but I guess we will just figure it out as we go. You guys can see the cracking right there on my lips, but so obviously it's a very, very matte. Is it sticky? I don't know. Let's give it a few seconds to dry down. Wow, we opened the metallic. Look at this metallic. Isn't that so pretty? Let's open this up and let's see if it smells good or it smells like a pesticide. I don't know, it smells different. But anyways, the doe foot applicator, like people say doe foot. I don't know what the doe foot, the applicator is a very straight applicator, obviously, on both sides. Okay, so is it sticky? Actually, it's wet in some areas, but the parts that are dry, it's not sticky at all. So I think if I were to wear this lipstick, I would actually have to prep my lips, you know, like scrub it off, get any excess skin off of my lips, and then put it on because I hate how it looks like it's cracked right there, like aging me. I don't want to be aged. Okay, so let's go ahead and dip one more time into the metallic and see how this looks on top. Now, is that a metallic? Wow. I don't know if this is supposed to be worn by itself. I should have read the package. But it looks good over, right? Ooh. So, ooh. That's very gold. I'm goldlicious today. Goldalicious. I don't know. I'm making up words. I don't know. A tad bit too gold. I actually think I loved the other color. And I think, just thinking here, okay? I think that if I would have placed this in the center of the lip, I would have had that ombre, but with a metallic center. Because I don't think this looks good like that. I don't know. What do you guys think? I know I'm silly today, but I don't like this color on my skin. I think it's too gold. But you know what? You women of color out there, like my daughter Zumi, I think that you guys have more color to your skin, so a gold lipstick looks more complimenting on your skin tone. This, to me, wear it all over, it doesn't look good. Now let's see if it's sticky or not. Oh, wow. Not at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Tell me if you guys actually want to see more lipstick videos. I used to do them all the time. It's like 2-minute video done, even though this one's saying 6 minutes. But if you do want to see more of these videos, please push that like button down below and subscribe. Oh, and comment. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye. Wow, guys, look at this. So I just I was like, the color's not complimenting me, so I grabbed my Palladio lip gloss. This is in the color Gorgeous. And I put it on top of the lipstick. This just has like, it's a gloss with a hint of pink in it, pink shimmer. And that turned into like an amazing color. Nothing on the top, it on the bottom. It's almost like it turned into like a pinkish nude metallic color that actually feels very hydrating on the lips. Look. Isn't that funny? Just like one application. Look at this. And it completely changed the color, but it still looks metallic. I like it. Look at that. Absolutely freaking gorgeous with the Palladio on top. I did like the matte, just not the other one on my skin tone, but this is the Palladio in Gorgeous. You can get this at Sally's Beauty Supply Store.